Hello and welcome back. My name is Teacher Christine, and today we're going to be going over Wohlfahrt Op.38 No.2. In our first etude, we were playing on the A and the E string, really keeping focus on our bow hold, keeping good tone and great posture. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing on this etude as well, but instead of the A and the E string, we're going to be going down to the G and the D string. A couple things that we want to do is first to analyze our notation, to see what we have going on in the music, and this is a skill that we will be progressively developing and continuing to work on because we will be sight reading music eventually one day. A few things that we want to look at before playing this etude are key signature, time signature, what type of notation do we have, notes, rests, do we have any tempo markings, dynamic markings, repeats? These are things that we want to keep in mind. So as we look at etude number 2, we see that we are in the key of C major. There are no sharps nor flats in our key signature. It's a natural key. And then we have 2/4 time, which means that we have 2 quarter notes for every measure of music. We primarily are quarter notes. We have no rests. We do have a repeat at the very end, so we want to make sure that we are training our eyes to go from the end of the etude back to the beginning. So again, the key learning objectives for this etude are the same as number 1. Okay, we want to focus on tonalization, creating a nice, clean, beautiful tone, having correct posture, and then maintaining our correct bow hold with all of its contact points. Beginner, we're currently developing these skills, so we're really just going to dedicate our time to mastering them. When playing on any string with these beginner exercises, we really want to keep our elbow aligned with the proper string level, okay? Your elbow is going to follow the arc of your bridge. So naturally, when you are on the E string, your elbow is closer to your body. But when you roll over to the G string, your elbow is going to be quite a bit higher. And this will help you to play on one single string at a time instead of hitting different strings, which can happen if you were to primarily use your forearm to roll over. Again, this is a beginner technique. Because we are playing both on the G and the D string in this exercise, please keep in mind that your elbow will be further away from your body. Here's a tip. Before approaching this exercise, take some time to assess the tension in your body and your posture. Take a couple deep breaths, roll your shoulders back, and don't forget to smile. Next clips, I will be playing this etude at 62 beats per minute. I love to see my students dedicate themselves to a lifetime of learning, so please comment below and tag me in the video of you giving this etude a try.